Good morning, friends. We're on a Mikayla palette kick this week. I really want to use the palettes because I know that I got a lot of DMs about everyone saying that they're waiting for their order to come in and that they want a ton of inspiration. So I'm going to give you all inspiration, but we're doing the mini today. And this color here, it's inspiring me. We're going to use this color too, but this one with these warm tones. All right, listen, I'm loving the Beauty Creations eyeshadow primer. They have quite a few neutral shades. This one is nude beige. And we're just gonna apply this all the way up to our brow bone. I'm gonna link this for you. They're so affordable. Here's the link. You can even use code ROSE for a discount if you would like. I'm pretty sure my discount code will work, but either way, they're very affordable and I love them. Okay, I'm excited. I have this vision in my head. So we're gonna start with this shade and we're gonna take that, flip it towards the ceiling, and we're gonna start to press this into the socket. This is a really good way to keep your lid a little bit more tidy. I don't want to have to carve it out too much. So by just having the product on the one side of the brush and then pressing that through the socket, I have a lot more control and I'm getting a lot more precision. Okay, so I just kept building that up. Remember, I work very slowly to build up eyeshadows. And the reason why is because if you just kind of pile it all on at once, you're gonna find yourself wanting to overblend, and overblending leads to patchy shadows, and patchy shadows lead to wiping off your makeup. Okay, let's transition. Now, this color actually feels lighter than this color, but this color is a little bit lighter and a little bit warmer. She was confused. See, once I start to transition it, it seems warmer, but I'm going for it. I wanted a little bit warmer transition and a deeper crease. So let's just take that and tap it all the way across. All right, so remember the base that we used, there should be enough left to just make sure that our lid is nice and tacky. We're gonna be applying a matte shadow here. So we wanna make sure it's really nice and smooth. Notice that I'm not coming in here and carving. I'm really just tapping it to about right there. I do want a little bit larger lid, but I don't want it to come too far out when I relax my eye. And also we do not need to worry about any precision. So it might look like I'm really trying to be precise, but I'm not. If that brush hits there, that's okay. Are we ready? I'm very excited. So I want to use this color all over my lid. I'm going to grab that on the side of an E28. You'll see the product right there. Let me zoom you in. Make sure that this is really nice and smooth. I can't stress that enough, especially when it comes to applying a matte shadow on the lid. And let's just pack that all over. Look at this, so spicy. You'll already know that we're gonna use some of this shimmer. This shimmer right here is so pretty. We'll grab that on an E27 and I'm just going to put this right in the center. I could make it a lot more intense, but I like the idea of still seeing this really pretty matte and it just being a little bit of sparkle. All right, I added just a little bit more and I'm just lightly feathering it over this way and over this way. So I think we're still gonna do liner. I'm just into really intense looks right now. That's what this palette and this collection has done for me. I just feel so inspired. But for right now, we're gonna add this to the waterline because it matches perfectly. I went feral, much like Jean. So I grabbed another one of the MAC pencils. Love these, by the way. All right, listen. So we just kind of draw this on. Complete chaos. No rhyme or reason. I brought it all the way over. But the one thing I do want you to do is work quickly, but you can work quickly when you don't have to really worry about precision. Okay, now just grab a black eyeshadow. I'm gonna grab an E27. I'm gonna press that on top and start to transition it. Okay, this is a trust the process moment. Picked up more, bring it out this way, start to tap above. And then this is where I'll look in the mirror and I start to kind of match them, side of the brush. Just keep tapping. Just keep tapping. Tap it over this way. Okay, trust the process. I know, but that's what I'm here for. I'm here to get you over this chaos makeup hump that we're on currently. Now we're gonna grab a little bit of that shade, the dark shade. Oh goodness, I hope you could see that one right there. And I'm gonna take that and I'm just transitioning again. And then I'm gonna wipe my brush off on Sheila. And then we're gonna grab this shade, just a smidgy, and transition a little bit more. Look at what a difference just cleaning up makes. Micellar water on a C30. That way we're not wasting any product. All I do is wipe it and I just keep cleaning. Look at that difference already. Still gonna show you another trick to make sure it looks nice and blended. If y'all ever notice, I never use wet wipes. I find that this is less wasteful. We like that, right? Okay, this part's completely optional, but it really makes a difference. Grab a liquid liner now. You don't have to do this, but I don't ever want to hide anything from y'all. And now we're gonna apply this closest to the lash line, and then just kind of outline that. Once this dries, I'm telling y'all, it just creates so much more dimension. Okay, but these lashes, they're from the Mikayla collection with Glamlite. These are, I need more of these immediately. This is the style Daydreamer, and with this eye look, so smoky and so fluffy. Look how brown my eyes look with this blue, this turquoise, I should say. I love this eye. All right, so I want extra glowy skin. I'm grabbing this from Alma Beauty. This is their primer. I love this one. This one's gonna go on the outer perimeter. Okay, wait for it. Outer perimeter. I'm using an Anissa Beauty all over care brush. So like I said, just go ahead, focus it on the outer perimeter. I love this primer. It feels, again, like skincare. And makeup really grips to it, but you get extra glowy skin. I love it. And then we'll use our Milk Makeup Pore Eclipse Primer. We love this one, just posted about it yesterday. We'll use this one through the center of the face. This one's so cool. Watch it take down that shine while Jean snores, but this is really cool, right? Stopping at about right there. I haven't used this foundation in a while. Let's use this one. I love it. Love, love, love it. Sephora best skin ever. It's so pretty. So I did a pump and a half. Well, that's quite a bit. I'm out of control. Actually, in case you're wondering where I just disappeared to, I saw that Sephora launched a few, or just got a few new products, and I wanted to try them. So I hopped off to go order them. Isn't that pretty? Watch this side blend. The brush is a prototype. Stay tuned. I haven't had to say that in quite a while. Isn't that foundation lovely? I can't wait for y'all to try this brush too. All right, this is important. We're gonna grab an E29 and we're gonna grab some of the foundation. Notice that I grabbed from the thinnest part, a couple taps. I'm gonna start here. Then I'm gonna take it over this way. And I'm gonna start to, I'm still tapping. It might look like I'm dragging, but I'm still tapping. And I'm tapping it across and melting all of this together. This is a very important step. I mean, look at the difference. Look at how nice and blended that looks. Do y'all know what I want to get today at Starbucks? I never get it. I want an iced white chocolate mocha. That's what I want. It just came to me. If you've ever wondered how shadows look really, really smooth sometimes without Facetune, which, I mean, I don't even post pictures anymore, so y'all know I'm not out here Facetuning. But what makes a really difference in getting your shadows smooth. It's not always just blending, blending, blending. It's tricks like adding foundation on top of your eyeshadow. RCMA 4-part kit, and I'm just kind of going into these 3. This is the 4-part kit A. I'm telling y'all, this has been my jam. So this and an E29, 0 creasing. 0. Now, if you have dark circles and you're thinking, Rose, that's not going to be enough concealer for me, just use a little bit of corrector. I believe this one had more of an orange in it too. We can even grab that. I'm going to grab that shade. Just use a little bit extra. Look at this. I'm telling y'all, this stuff is it. With this brush, because it just diffuses it. So we kind of press it first with the side. There it is. With the side, and then I'm just kind of diffusing the edges. I mean, look at that difference. I haven't set it. Just look at how nice that is. And also look at how much product is in the brush. Hardly any. We love a multi-use brush. Okay, now I'm gonna disappear for a second because I'm going to go film a comparison video of Givenchy versus the new Moira Beauty powder. Be right back. Okay, I'm back. Which side is which? Y'all will have to wait to find out. Okay, let's finish off this eye. I'm gonna grab glider dye again. That's the black pencil. And we're gonna bring it across the lash line there. See these bottom lashes? This. I like it for top lashes too. And I've kind of been mixing it with other things, but on my bottom lashes, I wear it by itself. And it's my favorite mascara for bottom lashes. It is just so thickening. I love this mascara for bottom lashes. All right, I went and filmed another video, which you will see, but for bronzer, I used NARS Laguna, the cream one in 03, and I love it. It's good. All right, we're doing MAC Melba Blush. Ooh, that brings back some memories. Oh, Lord, that's pretty. So we're doing the Golden Dreams lip set. I'm just gonna tag it. I'm out of control. So what I did is I actually put on the lipstick first. I always do this. So lipstick first, then we grab the lip liner, and then we perfect. You actually get a lot more precision this way. And you're kind of blending your lip liner with your lipstick as you go. I love everything in the collection, but I feel like the lip liners just are not dark enough for me. So I grabbed this one, Endless Cacao. And then we'll apply the gloss that comes in the set on top. So pretty. I added an inner corner highlight here. I'm doing so many different videos, I don't know what I've showed here, but this is the same as the lid color. Woo, this eye look is spicy. I'm gonna go finish filming the comparison video. I'm so excited for you to see it. I wanted to show right when it was done and then once I have all my makeup on. So let me go finish that. I love you all so much. And I'll see you in the comments tonight. I mean, we have to try the highlighters too. Let's get this tentacle out of the way here. And let's start with this one. Oh my goodness. Mikayla, honestly, this doesn't even look, it doesn't even look, it looks like a filter. Now let's try this one. I did switch brushes. This one's green. Oh my gosh. Let's try this one on our lid. Stunning. They're so pigmented. That is sparkly. I am impressed, y'all. Which side is your favorite? Mine is the blue.